Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best pool basketball hoop is probably one of the most exciting additions you can make to your backyard oasis, transforming lazy afternoons into thrilling aquatic competitions and providing endless entertainment for family and friends of all ages. Imagine the splash-filled dunks and the satisfying swish of the net as you challenge your loved ones to a friendly game, all while staying cool in the refreshing water. This isn't just a pool toy, it's an investment in fun, active play, and unforgettable summer memories, making every dip in the pool an opportunity for adventure and friendly rivalry. Number 5. GoSports Splash Hoop Pool Basketball Game. Introducing the Splash Hoop Pro, the original basketball hoop specifically engineered for your swimming pool. Unlike other options, it's built to withstand the water and stay put, ensuring endless fun. Experience the thrill of basketball right in your pool with its extra-large backboard and rim. This impressive size offers a superior playing experience compared to smaller, less durable alternatives. Forget flimsy hoops. This game features a robust, all-weather construction designed for long-term use. Its UV-resistant materials and stable base mean it's built to last through countless pool parties. Get the fun started in just minutes with its fast and simple setup. It's designed to perfectly fit on the edge of your pool, offering a hassle-free upgrade to your summer enjoyment. Join the fun with the leading brand in pool games. Designed in the US, it's the perfect way to elevate your summer entertainment for both adults and families. What we like. This one is built for serious pool play with its extra-large backboard and sturdy, tip-resistant base. If you're looking for a durable, high-quality hoop that won't budge, this is your best bet. It's designed for long-term use and a premium pool experience. What people say. It's sturdy, easy to assemble, and instantly turns any swim day into a fun game day. The hoop is stable in the water and doesn't tip over, even with competitive play, and the included basketballs are the perfect size and weight for the pool. The materials are durable, it's clearly built to handle sun, chlorine, and lots of use. Setup took just a few minutes, and it looks great poolside. It's so durable, and when filled with water it's hard to budge. It was very easy to put together. Its color blue is vibrant and rust-resistant. Number 4. GoSports Splash Hoop 360 Floating Pool Basketball Game. Get ready for endless summer fun with this ultimate pool party game. It includes everything you need for an amazing time in the water. Tired of old, flimsy pool toys? Upgrade your game with its sleek, modern design that looks great in any pool. Engineered to handle all the action of water basketball, its sturdy frame guarantees maximum fun. You can splash and play without worry. Forget complicated setups. This hoop assembles in just seconds, so you can start playing right away. No tools required. Choose the original for premium construction and great value. Invest in quality that's built to last, unlike cheaper alternatives. What we like. Get ready to make a splash with this floating basketball game. Its modern design and quick assembly mean less hassle and more fun. If you want a hoop that's easy to set up and moves with the action in the pool, this is the one for you. What people say. High quality and heavy duty. Stands up to everyone dunking. Doesn't fall apart even under extreme conditions. Plus it comes with 2 balls and a pump. The frame is very sturdy and looks like it will survive time and use. Installation is simple. No tools are required. The balls seem to be well made and of good quality. Inflation of the balls with the included pump is quick and easy. The balls retain air for a long time without having to refill. The hoop is extremely well made. It is obvious that it'll easily function for many years based on its great quality construction. The balls have not lost any air now in about a month. Right out of the box you can see this is well made and super easy to assemble, 3/4 of it is ready assembled. The net is super thick. Number 3. BOUNTECH 6-in-1 Inflatable Water Slide Park. Give your kids the gift of a happy childhood with this massive inflatable water slide park. It combines a variety of entertainment areas for non-stop fun. Crafted from heavy-duty, puncture-proof Oxford cloth with reinforced stitching, this water slide is designed for long-lasting durability. It can safely support up to 350 pounds. Transform your backyard into a summer water park. Connect a hose to activate the sprinklers and enjoy racing down the slides, climbing the wall, and splashing in the pool. Designed with your children's safety in mind, it features heightened handrails, a protective mesh wall for easy supervision, and secure ground stakes for stability. Inflates in just 2 minutes and deflates quickly for effortless setup and storage. It even comes with a carrying bag for easy transportation. This inflatable water park comes with everything you need, including stakes, a basketball, a hose kit, and repair patches for added enjoyment and easy maintenance. What we like. This is more than just a basketball hoop, it's a full-blown water park. With dual slides, a climbing wall, and a splash pool, it offers endless entertainment. If you're looking for a gift that will keep multiple kids entertained for hours with a variety of activities, this is an absolute winner. What people say. The basketball hoop is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for pool use. It was easy to assemble and set up in the pool, took less than 10 minutes. The size of the hoop is great for both kids and adults to play with. Number 2. GoSports Splash Hoop 2-in-1 Pool Game Set. Enjoy 2 exciting pool games with this versatile set. Instantly switch between basketball and volleyball in seconds, no tools needed. It comes with everything you need to start playing right away. Experience thrilling full-court action in your pool. Its no-compromise design allows for competitive back-and-forth play with family and friends. The adjustable net straps fit virtually any in-ground pool, accommodating widths up to 25 feet. It's perfect for lap pools, rounded pools, and rectangular pools alike. Upgrade your pool experience with zero hassle. Setup is instant, and the tip-resistant, water-weighted bases ensure maximum stability and fun. Get 2 amazing pool games in one package at a great price. It's significantly more affordable than purchasing comparable sets separately. What we like. Why choose between basketball and volleyball when you can have both? This set offers instant switching between games for full-court action. If you love variety and want to maximize fun for everyone in the pool with minimal setup, this versatile set is perfect for you. What people say. Everything appears to be high quality, sturdy, and easy to put together, with instructions that were clear and easy to follow. The GoSports Splash Hoop 2-in-1 full-court pool basketball and volleyball game set is the perfect way to make your next pool party a hit. This revolutionary new product is the first of its kind and lets you instantly switch between full-court pool basketball and pool volleyball in seconds with no tools required. Perfect set. Love having 2 basketball hoops on each side so multiple kids can play at one time. Great summer addition to our pool this year. Number 1. EagleStone Inflatable Pool Volleyball Net and Basketball Hoop. Get ready for endless summer entertainment with this versatile pool game set. It includes everything you need for exciting water activities. With 4 different balls included, you can switch between basketball and volleyball with ease. It's perfect for all ages, from toddlers to adults. Crafted from durable, thick PVC, this set is built for long-lasting fun. Setup and takedown are a breeze thanks to the large valves. Our innovative design features weight bags and adjustable straps for maximum stability. Enjoy your games without interruption, even on windy days. Looking for the perfect gift? This pool set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just to make any summer day more exciting. Transform your pool into a sports arena. It's the ultimate accessory for pool parties, beach days, and backyard fun. What we like. This inflatable set truly has it all, offering both a basketball hoop and volleyball net with multiple balls. Its focus on stability with weight bags and adjustable straps means less worry about things moving. If you're planning a big pool party and want a comprehensive, stable game set for all ages, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This set uses high-quality, relatively thick plastic. The volleyball net and frame blow up nicely. Small roping is provided for anchoring the frame. They provide 2 plastic bags for sand. The bags are nice. I put several small landscape stones in each of them, tied them to the outside of each end and lowered them into our in-ground pool. They hold the net nicely without dealing with sand. There is a floating hoop and 2 small basketballs. That's fun. An oversized blow-up volleyball is included, which is also interesting and fun. Very nice set. Holds up well during lots of pool movement. It stayed upright and sturdy. The consensus so far is the basketball hoop is the true winner of the bundle. Easy to set up, and so much fun to play. Adults too, used a beach ball which worked better than the small ball but love it and got many compliments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.